Who go down a yard and not tell them this? I never want to come with agreement when me think about Jayden Smith, you know. But me have to agree with it at one point. Say that. Say that. Justice will be served. The mystery will be solved, Jamaicans. And justice will be served. We have to come to agreement. It's too long, man. It's too long. Missing. Too long. So now we come to agreement. We think it. We don't want to agree with it. But we have to come to agreement and accept it. We hope it's not. We hope it's not. But justice will be served. And the mystery will be solved. To everyone involved, and we continue to ask for answers and fight for Jayden Smith, the mystery will be solved and justice will be served. We will continue to stick together as a country and as a nation and continue to fight for Jayden Smith. We don't never know.